Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
I am Osman bin Saeed, the first bridge connecting the companions of the absent Imam to him during the onset of the minor occultation. The veil of secrecy has fallen upon the Imam to protect him from the prying eyes of the Caliph's agents who seek to find and harm him. As the sole channel to communicate with the hidden Imam, entrusted with his whereabouts, I've been a close confidant of both Imam Mahdi and Imam Askari. Ahmed bin Shah, a friend, once conveyed Imam Askari's words about me, and upon hearing them, tears of joy streamed down my face. I embraced the responsibility with obedience. Now I stand as a representative of the son of Imam Askari. My role involves conveying people's letters to him, retrieving his responses, and ensuring the delivery to the believers. The Caliph's agents, adversaries of the Imam, are relentless in their pursuit. My caution is most important to avoid falling into their grasp. Today, burdened with numerous letters and entrusted funds for the Imam's religious endeavors, I rise early. Concealing the wealth within oil jars, I pose as an oil seller on the surface to deflect suspicions of being the Imam's representative. I've successfully concealed the people's offerings in oil containers, evading the officer's scrutiny. As I set out with letters securely hidden, a shadow trails my steps. A potential threat. A Caliph's agent is tailing me, and I must remain composed. Home beckons, but returning would arouse suspicion. Pressing on, I pretend that I'm finding customers for my oils, and I ponder my next move. The agent approaches, questioning my destination. Prepared, I respond, I'm seeking a customer for my oils. He scoffs at the idea of finding an oil customer in the middle of the desert. Despite a thorough search, my heart remains steadfast. The agent, frustrated, admits defeat, realizing it's a game not within his grasp. As I continue my journey, relief washes over me. Imam Mahdi has entrusted me with this duty, and courage must prevail. Years have passed in my role as a representative of the absent Imam. Now, aged and ailing, my abilities wane. It is time for another to step into my shoes, and I believe my son Muhammad is the ideal successor, the second bridge to continue this sacred path